Are you applying for sponsored post opportunities and not getting selected? In this video, I show you how to get picked. Hey y'all, Jasmine here. When I first heard about sponsored blog post opportunities, I thought they sounded like a dream come true. You mean brands actually pay you to write blog content for your blog? Yes, that's exactly what they are. But getting selected for sponsored post opportunities can be a pain. If you have applied for sponsored post opportunities and have not been selected numerous times, you can start to feel like they are too good to be true. I remember feeling discouraged and searching everywhere on ways to get selected for more sponsored blog post opportunities. Unfortunately, there wasn't much to find, and I continued to struggle to be selected. However, I'm happy to say that after much trial and error, I finally found a way to get selected for more opportunities. Let's start with the basics, shall we? What are sponsored blog post opportunities anyway? A sponsored post opportunity is when you work with a brand, product, or service that pays you to write about them on your blog. Payouts can range anywhere from $50 to over $10,000 for a single post. Companies work with bloggers because they want to target their audience. It also benefits you, the blogger, because you will get paid to write. And the product you're writing about could help your readers. It's a very symbiotic relationship if done correctly. The hard part about this, however, is finding the opportunities and getting selected to write them. Now let's talk about where to find paid opportunities. As a blogger, you should already know what it's like to get emails from brands who are willing to give you free products you did not ask for in exchange for a blog post. This offer may have been flattering at first when you were blogging as a hobby, but as your site has developed, these offers become increasingly more annoying. You deserve to make some money. This situation is why it is so important to know where to get paid opportunities. When I first learned about sponsored articles, I spent hours scouring the internet to find influencer networks that paid bloggers for sponsored blog post opportunities. And the thing is, there are a ton of them, and more are created all the time. After years of research, I developed a list of over 150 influencer networks with paid sponsorships, and I am willing to share with you for free. Click the link in the description for my list of 150 influencer networks to join. The next thing you want to do is make sure you complete your profile on each influencer network. Now that you have the list of influencer networks to sign up for, you have to create an account and complete your profile for each one. Completing your profile on these networks allows you to get in front of brands. Brands know what they want. At least, they know the audience that they want. Your profile on an influencer network gives brands an idea of your audience and if it is the same audience they're targeting. When completing a profile, you'll need information such as how many page views you get per month, how many social media shares you see on average. They will even want to know how many people are on your email list. Some platforms even let you upload a media kit. This option is helpful because this gives brands even more information about you, including demographic data on your audience and how much you should charge for a sponsored post. For some of these influencer networks, you will not even receive any blogging opportunities until your profile is complete. So if you want to get more opportunities, you must do this. While some brands may contact you directly once you complete your profile on influencer networks, some will not look at your profile until you apply for their opportunities. To get selected for more sponsored post opportunities, you want to log into those influencer networks daily. This step is where you have to put in the most work. The more opportunities you apply for, the more you can qualify for, and the more money you'll make. Once you get started, it can seem like forever before you get a response. But if you are consistently applying on these platforms, you will be noticed. Sometimes it's worth it to reach out to the platform managers directly and ask if there are any opportunities they feel that will be worthwhile for your blog. This has helped me in the past because if anything comes up, you are already top of mind and they'll reach out to you directly. What matters most is consistently applying for sponsored blog post opportunities. Since there are so many different influencer networks, and searching for new opportunities to apply takes time, I highly recommend you try my newsletter, Blogging Money Update. In my newsletter, I send 3 emails a week with the best sponsored opportunities that were posted that week. This saves you hours of scouring over 100 platforms. You can learn more about Blogging Money Update in the description below. Another way to get selected for more opportunities is by being thorough in each application. Now, this tip is important. When you are applying to several opportunities, it is easy to try to rush through them, but rushing is not going to get you the job. You must be thorough in every application. I don't mean filling out every question. I mean being thoughtful with each response. There are some optional questions on sponsored applications, such as, is there anything else you would like to add? When you have these kinds of questions, you always want to answer them. I guarantee that most people skip right over them. So if you are thorough and fill out your application completely, you will stand out. This means you're more likely to be selected for the campaign. Being thorough in sponsored post applications is something that I have succeeded with over and over again. I have also taught my team how to do this and have seen them be selected for more sponsored post opportunities. It really does work. Lastly, you have to keep learning. I think this is important in general when it comes to blogging. The best bloggers never stop learning, and this is especially true when it comes to making money with sponsored posts. Check out my list of resources below to learn more about how to make money with sponsored posts. It is possible to make more money with sponsored posts on your blog, and I am certain that with these tips, you'll be able to do just that. Do you have questions when it comes to making money with sponsored posts on your blog? If so, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you all next time.